She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, I is it, the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. I want to thank you guys for joining me yet again for another quick and easy recipe. So for today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a take on the classic frozen food brand known as Stouffer's. Pretty sure you guys have all had a favorite Stouffer's treat. They've been out for a long time, and it's still a brand that you definitely can trust that you're going to get something pretty good when you buy it. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and make my take on the Stouffer's French bread pizza. This is one of my favorites growing up, and it was always one of my go-to snacks. If I wanted a pizza, but just not a whole lot of pizza, it seemed like it gave just the right amount of pizza. But in this take, we're going to use some fresh ingredients like bread, vegetables, and cheese and sauce to where it's definitely going to be a favorite new weeknight treat. So if all of this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below. And share this video out. Always appreciate that. And if you are still not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Cold pizza Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for that new wave. I think I like it how it is. Cold pizza on a Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for a new wave. I think I like it how it is.
My shoestrings untied, I'm running full speed with scissors in hand. I love pointy things. Let's fall on the floor next to all of our needs. Let's lose inhibition. Let's fly like our dreams is reality. Real things ain't quite what they seem. Once you hold it, does it gleam? If it's green, is there a soul? Is a soul a real thing? If you're really in the know, is it all a scripted show with the cameras and lights and the laugh track to kill all of my loneliness inside, and a casting crew of friends who are always there when things get dry to crack a joke? But instead I'm hearing Cali up in smoke in real life where the whole world broke and the pizza always froze. But it's all good, this is all I'll ever know. So I better chow down while the food straight snow. Make my own damn waves inside my own studio, taking life for what it is, even if it's getting
cold pizza on a Tuesday. I got food up in the fridge. Y'all keep looking for a new wave. I think I like it how it is.
What you got good? It's always as good as it gets, even throughout all the mess and regrets, piled cigarettes and the rest. All you got's every breath, till your last, and then you'll be dead. So live it all good, eat DiGiorno's in bed. Keep grateful for what you got, don't let that ego in head. Keep it free, boy, keep them strings off me, boy. No stems, no sticks, no seeds, no stress, no peace, no love, no free, don't care. Mo chains for me, don't share, I keep, yo. Plus eat, yo, plus eat.
Alright guys, so here is my take on a quick and easy yet delicious French bread pizza. Of course, the toppings are endless in this case. Use your imagination. But pretty much I say stick with the basis of a nice French or Italian bread, and then get you some good pizza or marinara sauce, or make your own, and then go ahead and load it up with cheese and all of your favorite veggies or toppings. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this. I always enjoy pizza, so this was definitely one of my favorite recipes. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it too. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop your comment down below. Share this video out, I always appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
My shoestrings untied, I'm running full speed with scissors in hand. I love pointy things, let's fall on the floor next to all of our needs. Let's lose inhibition, let's fly like our dreams is reality. Real things ain't quite what they seem. Once you hold it, does it gleam? If it's green, is there a soul? Is a soul a real thing? If you're really in the know, is it all a scripted show with the cameras and lights and the laugh track to kill all of my loneliness inside, and a casting crew of friends who are always there when things get dry to crack a joke? But instead I'm hearing Cali up in smoke in real life where the whole world broke.